Hey guys, it's Sol8erry again and back with another Operation Berry. Jokes aside, do you see all these ROG products in front of me? Yes? Well, that's because I'll be going through over these products and the table, and I'll be building a PC with my own hands. Yes, so I'll be building an all ROG build, so let's go! When building a PC, we must first start with the motherboard. And over here, we have the ROG Maximum Z690. The reason why this is our motherboard of choice is because it is super easy to use and it has a Q latch on the motherboard, eliminating the need for screws. It also looks very pretty and premium. And on top of that, it has an amazing speed and connectivity because it supports the PCIe 5.0, the Wi-Fi 6E, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2 boost with Type-C transfers, and has an AI overclocking, AI cooling, AI networking, and this makes everything easier to tweak and customize even for beginners like me. Now that we have gone over our motherboard, let's talk about the CPU that I'll be placing into the motherboard. The CPU sits on the heart of the motherboard, but it doesn't just sit there doing nothing. Our CPU of choice is definitely the Intel Core i9-12900K, and it is the fastest gaming processor available in the market up to date. And the reason why I say it's the fastest is because it comes with the 16 cores and 24 threads. It can also run up to 5.2 GHz and can still be overclocked further, resulting in incredible speed. Now, we will be placing our RAM and SSD into the motherboard before popping it into the casing. The RAM for this build will be the ASUS XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 DRAM model. The reason we choose this is because it breaks the limits of the current RAMs in the market. So with this RAM, you can reach frequencies of up to 6,000 megatransfers per second, allowing an amazing boost in performance. It even has the RGB that you can customize to fit whatever mood you are in. Amazing! For the SSD, we have the ASUS XPG GameX S70 blade, and it's super duper OP because it can provide tip-top speed. What speed, you ask? Well, it can deliver a sequential read of 7,400 megabytes per second, which is like 2 times faster than the PCIe Gen 3 SSD. Oh, and the GameX S70 blade is perfect for multitaskers as it comes with SLC caching and host memory buffer that gives you the upper hand in loading time. Now, we place our motherboard into our ROG Strix Helios casing, a huge and chunky boy. The ROG Strix Helios casing, which accommodates up to EATX motherboards, and is a casing made for showcase builds, so it features 3 tempered glass panels, a refined aluminum frame, and an integrated front panel RGB lighting. Now that our build is almost complete, let's add in our final touches. The ROG Ryujin 2 is the AIO of choice, of course. What better way to match our all-new updated build other than the latest AIO from ROG? The ROG Ryujin 2 360 is an all-in-one cooler that delivers ultimate thermal performance, which features the 7th generation Aztec pump, the Noctua industrial PPC radiator fans, and of course an ambient fan for the CPU socket area, which then uses both water and air to provide your PC with an incredible cooling capability. To bring our PC to life, we have the ROG Thor 2 Platinum 1000W PSU. Similar to our ROG Ryujin 2, there is an LCD display panel that shows the power drawn at all times. Aside from the display, this power supply has an 80+ Platinum certification as it's built with 100% Japanese capacitors and other premium components to ensure efficient operation that can guarantee 89% efficiency at 100% load, allowing it to produce less heat and even lesser fan noise, making it overall quieter for stream. The Thor 2 Platinum also comes with the Lepta A+++ certification confirming the latest Thor wields menacing power in absolute stealth. Last but not least, for the PC build, we have the tough gaming RTX 3090. Yes, and the latest and most sought after GPU in the market is literally right here with me. This GPU comes with a whole new level of ray tracing. Because of the second generation ray tracing cores, a whole upgrade from the previous generation. It also has the military grade capacitors and other tough components, making it tough to withstand the test of time. JK. Okay. This GPU is truly the highlight of this event. That's why I will run over some benchmarks near the end, okay? Now that we're done with the PC, let's try to switch it on. There you go. Eng? Oh, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot it on the switch here, which... oh. There you go. Well, first up, we have the ROG Delta S Animate headset. This headset comes with a customizable anime matrix display and has industry-leading Hi-Fi ESS 9281 Quad DAC combined with MQA support for the immersive and amazing indulging experience. For our keyboard, I chose the ROG Strix Flare 2 Animate because as an FPS player, comfort and precision is important. Just like the headset, it has an anime matrix display, but that's not all. It has a polling rate of 8000 Hz and 0.125 ms response. That's why I'm sure to not miss any skills. The ROG Chakram X allows me to flick and move as fast as possible, all thanks to the 100% PTFE mouse speed. It also comes with the ROG Aimpoint Stabilizer, which is the next generation 36,000 dpi gaming optical sensor. It does not lag or slack behind any movement. Lastly, to wrap it all up together, the ROG Scabbard 2 has a military-grade protective nano coating, protecting it from dust, water, and oil spills, and it looks very pretty too. Now look at the new and improved Berry setup. Pretty and classy, right? Like me perhaps? All jokes aside, this is not only pretty to see, but the performance is sure to woo you as well. How about a little benchmark before I leave? I'm gonna head out first, but you enjoy the benchmark to prove to you that this is based on its own. Bye guys!